Hello everyone, it's me again, Lovelynitz. Follow me in my email, just join us. Let's try to sing the song, guys. Rain by Donna Cruz. I just want rain gently falls whenever we say goodnight, pulling like when you're out of sight. Rain follow me even in my bed, and rain is the tears that I shed. There'll be no sunshine summer, spring or fall. It's like winter time, but I can never say I care. I know it won't be smart. Somebody else, your heart, it can never be mine. Sweet rain, sweet knowing we can't even touch, falling the tide. But I know that my love will only cause you pain. Should I rather live with the rain? There'll be no sunshine in my life until you say you're mine. There'll be no summer, spring or fall. It's like winter time, but I can never say I care. I know it won't be smart. Somebody else, your heart, it can never be mine. There'll be no sunshine in my life until you say you're mine. There'll be no summer, spring or fall. It's like winter time, but I can never say I can. I know it won't be smart. Somebody else, your heart, it can never be mine. Somebody else, your heart, it can never be mine. Oh yes. Thanks for listening. Just follow my profile in my email, just join us. Thank you guys.